Look for materials and design that keep the caulk usable, airtight, and easy to dispense each time you reopen the tube. Choose a preservation product with a flexible rubber or silicone cap that conforms around a range of nozzle diameters so it seals without needing precise sizing. Prefer designs with an easy-to-clean tab or flap that you can wipe with a cloth to remove residue after each use, because hardened bead on the closure is the usual failure point. For ongoing projects, buy bulk or multi-pack options so you can swap a fresh preserved tube into a caulk gun while another rests, and confirm the product list's compatibility with different nozzle sizes to avoid leaks or poor seating. Look for a closure that threads or locks securely but does not require tools to remove, since repeated tool use wears threads and increases chance of cross-contamination. Read long-form user reviews that describe weeks or months of reuse rather than single-use impressions, and give extra weight to reports about temperature changes and solvent resistance if you use silicone or polyurethane caulks. Finally, test a new preservation product with a small amount of your common caulk and store it for a week to observe whether it remains pliable and seals reliably before committing to a full job. People often assume any cap will work, so they end up with a stuck, hardened nozzle. Choose conforming rubber closures and clean them after each use to prevent that. Another common mistake is buying a single small cap for one type of nozzle and later switching to a larger bead size. Avoid this by selecting products explicitly compatible with multiple nozzle diameters. Many users forget that environmental storage matters, so they leave preserved tubes in direct sun or extreme cold, which degrades seal performance. Keep preserved tubes in a moderate temperature area and rotate stock regularly. We run bighomeprojects.com, and we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and share project experiences that relate to product choices like caulk preservation. Our site also helps contractors find work and join discussions in our community, where both homeowners and professionals share tips, vendors, and real-world performance notes.